Learning about numbers.
From Sesame Street, it's Big Bird's Number Show. The show about the numbers 1 through 10. Some of Big Bird's guests will be Ernie, that's one guest. Grover, that's two guests. The Honkers, that's 3, 4, and 5 guests. A couple of cool cats, that's 6 and 7 guests. A king, that's 8 guests. A Martian beauty, that's 9 guests. And the Count, that's me, that's 10 wonderful guests. And now, here's a bird with over 5,961 yellow feathers on his body. I know that because he let me count them myself. Here's the one and only Big Bird.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Count. And, boy, was it cold yesterday.
How cold was it?
It was so cold, I had to wear my mittens. Wait a minute. There's only one here. Where'd the other one go? You know, I always lose that mitten. There it is. As I was saying, it was so cold, I had to wear my mittens. 1, 2 mittens. But seriously, folks, this leads me to my first guest. He's a great fiddle player with a super song about the number 2. Hey, thank you, Tony. Very good. Well, my next guests are favorite on the Number Show, and we love to see them whenever they're in town. So here's 2 of the coolest of the cool cats, Chip and Dip. Meow, meow, meow. Boy, you guys really crack me up. But listen, tell me about this movie I heard you made, starring 2 of your friends. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, sounds great. Hey, let's take a look at the clip you brought. Roll it, John. Oh, well, now it's time to read one of the many letters from our fans here on the Number Show. This one says, Dear Big Bird, when am I going to see a roller coaster and some chickens on the Number Show? When? How about right now? No. The Count went home, but he can't go home yet. He still has to count to 20 with you, the other honkers. Call him on the telephone. That's a good idea. I'll just look him up in the old phone book. 3 ringy-dingies. There's 4. Hi, Ernie. This is Big Bird. Is the Count there? Put him on then, would you? Hi, Count. Listen, you have to come back to Sesame Street to do your bit with the honkers on the Number Show. Well, why not? An elevator operator? Well, what do you mean it looks like a good job to you, Count? It isn't good for you. Why? Well, I'll tell you why. As soon as I think of it. Oh, I got it. It's not good because you only got to count to 10, Count. If you come back to Sesame Street, you'll get to count to 20 with the honkers. Yeah, I promise. Right? Okay, whatever you say. The Count says he's coming back to Sesame Street. But he also said something about soccer socks. Don't ask me. That's what he said. Soccer socks. He's here. The Count is here. Oh, good. Well, we're almost at the end, so you better go get ready, Honker. And now, the Number Show is proud and relieved to present Count Von Count Counting Honks. That was great. Really great. Take a bow. There's the Honkers. Count, you were wonderful. That's all the time we have, but I'd like to thank the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for making the Number Show possible. I really couldn't have done it without
you're
them.
all so beautiful. Thank you, and thank you.
Goodbye, everybody.
Thank you. Oh, I said it again. That's 4. Oh, thank you. That's 5. Thank you. Yes, thank you. 6 thank yous.